guys, welcome to the ColourPop Carpool.
Woo!
It's Hannah and Nikki, and we're gonna swatch our new 5 Ultra Mattes that just launched today.
Yay! You guys, these shades are 20% off right now.
Use the code back in stock at checkout.
Okay, so I am wearing Midnight Snack.
And I'm wearing WYD.
This is Midnight Snack. It's a light girly pinky nude. Here's a shade that we just restocked. It's from our holiday collection, Lil Pump.
And this last one is WYD. It's a super versatile, warm beige, and it looks amazing on multiple skin tones. This one is And Chill. It's a rich, deepened, chocolatey brown.
Okay, here is our office favorite, Snowflake. So pretty. It's like the perfect red.
Thanks for riding in the ColourPop Carpool.
Don't forget, 20% off liquid lips.
Bye!